Hey guys, what's going on? I have another tool review video for you. Orion Motor Tech was nice enough to send us this ball joint press and U-joint service kit. So let's open this kit up and we'll see what's in it. Before I get started, what I'll do is I'll put a link in the description of this video over to their store on Amazon. You can check out the kit, see what's in it, check on pricing, and order it right off of Amazon, right through their Amazon store. So your new Orion Motor Tech ball joint press kit's going to arrive in this nice hard plastic case. Let's open it up and see what's in it. So this is a 10-piece kit, and you have your nice heavy-duty ball joint press right here. So right here you're going to have your installation adapter, and over here you're going to have your removal adapter. And right here you have your install cap adapter. And right here you have your install cup, and here's your receiving cup. Then right over here, you have 3 different sizes of receiving tubes. So the kit even comes with a ball joint removal and installation tool set of instructions. So if you thumb through it real quick, it kind of shows you how everything goes in order. If you're trying to, press out, a ball joint, stuff like that, if you're not used to doing it. And it gives you some tips on how to use your tool. Like right here, it shows you how to press out a U-joint. Then right back here, near the back of the instructions has like an application chart. So you can kind of match up your year, make, and model, and various vehicles that you might have, and the ball joint service kit and stuff like that. So it covers common vehicles. So now let's compare this to a kit that you would typically buy off of a tool truck. So I'm going to do a quick comparison against the OTC kit, which is this one right here. This is kind of an old kit, and they don't give you, they didn't give you all these adapters that you get with this kit. With the OMT kit, there's some 4-wheel drive adapters in here, and which you didn't have with the OTC one. This is a pretty well-known brand, and this one is a lot more money. So if you had to get all the pieces to build up your OTC kit to the point that this kit's at, it might run you up to $500 for all the separate pieces. This one's got the 4-wheel drive stuff in it, which is kind of nice. It's already all there for you, so it's got a lot more in it. So if you have any questions, leave a comment on the video, and I will reply back to you. And I'll put a link in the description of the video over to their store on Amazon. You can zing over to there, look at the toolkit, and check it out on their Amazon store. Thanks for watching, guys.